In today's video, I'll show you how to enable SSL in Cloudflare so you can secure your website with an encrypted connection. If you're new to SSL, it helps protect the data exchanged between your website and its visitors. It also displays the secure HTTPS connection, which improves trust and is recommended for every website. First, sign in to your Cloudflare account and open the dashboard. Then select the website where you want to enable SSL. Next, open the SSL/TLS section from the left-hand menu. This is where you can manage your website's encryption settings. Choose the SSL mode that matches your hosting environment. If your web server already has a valid SSL certificate installed, select the appropriate secure mode. If you're unsure which option to use, check with your hosting provider before making changes. After selecting the SSL mode, save your settings. Cloudflare will begin applying the new configuration. Now open the Edge Certificate section and confirm that your Cloudflare certificate is active. If additional HTTPS features are available, you can enable them to improve your site's security and compatibility. Next, visit your website using HTTPS in the address bar to verify that the secure connection is working correctly. If your website doesn't load properly after enabling SSL, review your SSL mode and ensure your hosting server is configured correctly. An incorrect SSL mode can cause connection errors. Once everything is working, your website will use an encrypted connection, helping protect your visitors and improving overall website security. And that's how you enable SSL in Cloudflare. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.